Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.